Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So you guys can probably already tell by the title, we're headed to the track today. Headed to MX23. This is technically my second track ride of the year. I did go the other day, but unfortunately I forgot the GoPro, of course. But you guys didn't miss much. I was pretty rusty. I was just getting warmed up. So today will probably be pretty similar. I haven't rode much. Plus, I went ahead and I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna set up my suspension. I figured I'd let some of you guys know I'm not the best at it, but some of you might be curious how I do it. So obviously you want to set your sag, and I'm gonna tell you guys to go ahead and look up a video on how to do that. But after you do that, what I'm gonna do today is, because the other day the bike was handling a little funny, so I figured I'd just start from zero and get it dialed in. So what I usually do is find the middle on all the clickers, so my forks have soft and hard compression. So there's 22 clicks, so I went 11 clicks in, so that's the middle. And same with the rear, I set the high speed and low speed to the middle setting, and then what I'm gonna do once I get to the track, I'm gonna ride it. Does it feel too hard? Does it feel too soft? And then I'll move it from there. But I'll update you guys more about that when I get there. I'll put on the GoPro, go for a spin, and then hop back on the camera and let you guys know what I'm thinking. Alright guys, I'm about to go out for my first moto. I think this setup is going to be way too soft, so I'm just getting the tools ready now. I'll probably do half a lap and then come back in. Or I mean, I'll do a lap. I already know they're going to be soft. Track looks pretty smooth right now, so it might feel okay, but it's better to do it on a rough track. But this is what we got for today, so it will just give us a good baseline. Alright guys, wrapping it up, leaving the track now. It was a pretty sweet day. Second track day. Back on the bike, it was a lot of fun. As I was leaving, we had a subscriber recognize me. So yeah, if you guys ever see me, hit me up. I'm always down to ride. Or you see me at the track and you want to rip, be in the video, let me know. But yeah, otherwise, it was a good day. Bike is feeling pretty good. Like I said, guys, I'm not an expert, but I tried to walk you through how I would set up my suspension. So it's pretty simple. Just start in the middle, go ride the bike. If it feels too hard, soften it up a little bit. If it feels too soft, then harden it up. It's really not that hard. But yeah, the bike feels pretty good. Got a good baseline. I got to work on my corner speed. Felt pretty good today. Like I said, the track was smooth, and I just got to work on hitting that double in the middle. I tried hitting like the step down. It's kind of like a triple before the big table. I cased it a few times. I'll put the clips in there, but hopefully I have some good GoPro footage. I don't even know yet. Well, other than that, let me know what you guys thought of this video down in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.